goes to Veep.
We do sincerely love that you gave us this wonderful Grammy, so thank you. SAG Award, sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Proud recipient of number 1112. 1112, I've been looking for you. We were destined to be together. I want to see the video of his conception. Can I do that? This is the first time I've ever won anything. My brother won a television once in 8th grade, and this is much cooler than a television. He doesn't even have that TV anymore.
I left my cell phone at the table, so I got to remember to pick that up.
Mine too.
That's just a mental note that I need to remember.
Right on the table. I just lost the phone.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Not a single Sam Rockwell question.